Good morning, Dennis Smith reporting from the Board of Trade in Chicago. Friday, May 31st, last day of May. Cattle futures, we'll see if they can bounce. It was a hook reversal, lower close. We called an outside day lower close yesterday. Lower open interest down about 2,000. Total cattle open interest is now down below 300,000 as traders continue to exit the cattle market, unimpressed with the downtrend and the dismal outlook. Cattle futures all trading discount to the cash market. So the bear market activity is really seeing a lot of traders just exit, just leave the cattle market. Yesterday's outside day lower close, while technically negative, and it was a surprise to me. I'm still thinking there's a real good chance this market can kind of knee-jerk and reverse those losses and come right back up. Such an activity would be generated by cash market action. Yesterday, bids were at 122 in the Southern Plains, and they were passed by the feedlots. Bids went to 123, again passed. There was no cash trade. Last week, we traded cash at 124. I suspect beef packers, by the way, operating at very profitable margins. They really have an incentive to secure slaughter to get their arms around cattle. If they come in with a 124 cash, maybe even trade it up to 125, cattle futures, in my opinion, rally. Probably go right back up and test yesterday's highs, and then see if we can't take out the 122 resistance, which I think is certainly in the works, especially if you're trading a 122, or correction, a 124 to 125 cash. Weekly beef export sales were outstanding last week, and export shipments were a marketing year high, 14% above the 4-week average. So I like the business right now. I like the positive, in fact, the very positive beef packer processing margins. I like the fact that the feedlots passed on the low ball bid yesterday, even though futures were down in the soup and looking pretty negative. Opinions are my opinions alone. They are not the opinions of ADM Investor Services, nor are they the opinions of Archer Financial Services.